Yeah, good morning, good morning. Finding silver bullet. Let's go. All right, let's just see here. I think though there's nothing we can do right here, but yep, I think there's nothing we could have done, but just to wait for the sake of fair value gap. I think this will be the fair value gap right here, but I'm thinking that it should really go down because this is the highest, but I wanna go short, but I need market to keep retesting the resistance before shooting back down. Okay, but I doubt it. Maybe tomorrow, or I doubt it. Maybe tomorrow it'll do. All right, let's see what happens then. All right, after 3 days off, you know what I mean? I got sick. I had something going on, so I couldn't trade. But let's just see today, okay? So today went perfectly fine, but I mean it barely hit though. But as far as I understand, yeah, it hit, but I had about 0 to 7, yeah, barely, right? Okay, but I predicted it would reverse because it's been like this, you know, when London open yesterday, it was just, keep retesting. It was just like consolidating from between this line to this line. Then I thought myself, I was like, yeah, there's a chance if the price would reverse because there's a FOMC member speaks coming up, and I just thought it would just reverse, well, let's just see what happens. And by the way, though, this is the 100th silver bullet strategy that I've done so far, and I'm gonna recap everything, and let's just wait maybe on Monday or so. But let's just see, yeah, if I can recap all from 1 to 100, all the trade, and then I'm gonna explain what I observe so far. Thank you.